Get ready for a financial supernova. Could SpaceX, the private space titan, launch the biggest IPO in history? This is the question that has Wall Street and space fans on the edge of their seats. For years, Elon Musk has kept his space exploration company private, fueling it with private funding and profits from its satellite launches. But the financial world is always watching, wondering when or if this giant will finally hit the public market. If it does, it could shatter all previous records. Let's look at the numbers. In late 2023, SpaceX's valuation was already hovering around a staggering $180 billion. To put that into perspective, the largest IPO to date was Saudi Aramco, which raised $29.4 billion. For SpaceX to beat that, it would need a massive public offering. But given the company's dominance in the launch market and its ambitious Starlink and Starship projects, a valuation soaring past $200 or even $300 billion by the time of an IPO isn't out of the question. So what's holding it back? Well, Elon Musk himself. He's famously said he prefers SpaceX to stay private. He wants the company laser-focused on its long-term mission of making humanity multiplanetary, without the pressure from public shareholders who are often chasing short-term profits. Wall Street's quarterly demands don't always align with a mission that could take decades to achieve. He learned this lesson the hard way with Tesla, dealing with constant market scrutiny. However, there's a glimmer of hope for investors, and its name is Starlink. Musk has suggested that Starlink, SpaceX's satellite internet division, might be the part of the company to go public first. He's mentioned that once Starlink's revenue becomes reasonably predictable, spinning it off for an IPO could be a real possibility. This would be a genius move. It would raise a colossal amount of capital to fund the more ambitious Mars missions, while keeping the core rocket-building part of SpaceX under his private control. Imagine the hype around his Starlink IPO. It's a global internet service with a unique advantage: it's being from space. The potential market is huge, connecting the unconnected parts of the world. Investors would likely scramble for a piece of that pie. A successful Starlink IPO could easily be one of the biggest tech offerings we've ever seen, generating tens of billions of dollars.
But let's not forget the risks. The space industry is incredibly capital-intensive and risky.
A single catastrophic failure with a Starship launch could send valuations tumbling. There's also increasing competition from companies like Blue Origin and a host of other new space startups. Plus, the regulatory landscape for satellite constellations is still evolving. Any investor would need a strong stomach for volatility. So, will SpaceX have the largest IPO ever? The full company? Probably not anytime soon, as long as Musk is in charge. But a Starlink spin-off, that's a very different story. It has all the ingredients for a record-breaking market debut, a visionary leader, disruptive technology, and a massive addressable market. It would allow SpaceX to have its cake and eat it too, raising public money without sacrificing its ultimate private mission. The question isn't so much asterisk if asterisk, but asterisk when asterisk and asterisk how asterisk. What do you think? Would you invest in a Starlink IPO? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech.